Introduction. Welcome to your beginner's guide to yoga. Whether you're looking to enhance your flexibility, reduce stress, or start a new wellness journey, yoga is the perfect place to begin. Welcome to Health Haven. What is yoga? Yoga is an ancient practice that combines physical postures, breathing exercises, and meditation to improve overall health and well-being. It's suitable for all ages and fitness levels. Benefits of yoga: increased flexibility. Regular practice helps you stretch and lengthen muscles, improving your range of motion. Improved strength. Yoga poses use your body weight to build and tone muscles. Better posture. Strengthens the core and back, helping you stand taller and reduce back pain. No benefits. Reduced stress. Breathing techniques and meditation calm the mind and lower cortisol levels. Enhanced focus. The mindfulness aspect of yoga improves concentration and mental clarity. Emotional balance. Helps regulate emotions, promoting a more positive outlook on life. Holistic wellness. Improved sleep. Regular practice can help you fall asleep faster and enjoy deeper sleep. Boosted immune system. Yoga's stress-relieving benefits also support your immune system. 12 essential pieces of equipment that every yogi should have. Trust me, these items will make your yoga journey even more enjoyable and comfortable. First up, we have the yoga block and strap. These are great for helping beginners to reach higher positions with ease. They're also fantastic for more advanced practitioners as they provide extra support and help maintain proper alignment in challenging postures. Next, we have the yoga mat. This is a must-have for any yogi, as it provides comfort and stability during practice. Look for a mat that offers good grip to prevent slipping during those intense poses. Moving on, we have the bolster or blankets. These are perfect for adding comfort and support during restorative poses or meditation sessions. Whether you're looking to elevate your legs or simply add some cushioning, these items will come in handy. Then there's the balance ball chair, which is great for those who spend a lot of time at their desks or on the couch. Sitting on this can improve posture and engage core muscles while you work or watch TV. For improving stability during practice, consider getting weighted ropes or sandbags that can be used to enhance certain poses. These are excellent for adding resistance training elements to your routine and will help you build strength in no time. Lastly, don't forget about accessories like a water bottle holder or meditation neck pillow. These little extras can transform your practice by adding convenience and comfort to your routine. So there you have it, 12 essential pieces of equipment every yogi should own. Basic yoga poses. Yoga mountain pose. Foundation pose. Teaches alignment and balance. The starting point for many other poses. Posture improvement. Engages your core and promotes standing tall with proper alignment. Yoga downward dog. Full body stretch. Stretches the hamstrings, calves, and shoulders while strengthening the arms and legs. Energizing. Inverted position improves circulation and can help reduce fatigue. Yoga child's pose. Restorative pose. Provides a gentle stretch for the back, hips, and thighs. Excellent for relaxation, stress relief, calms the mind and reduces tension, making it a perfect resting pose during practice. Yoga warrior pose. Strength and stability. Builds strength in the legs, core, and back while improving balance, empowerment. This powerful pose boosts confidence and focus, embodying the warrior spirit. Breathing techniques. Breathing is a crucial part of yoga. Learn how to practice deep breathing techniques that calm the mind and enhance your yoga practice. So there you have it, folks. Give these breathing techniques a try in your next yoga session and feel the benefits for yourself. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more amazing content.